Time travel, the ultimate mind-bending concept that's captivated humanity for centuries. But could it really be possible? In this video, I'm diving into the science behind time travel. So buckle up, it's about to get wild. Time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the iconic DeLorean in Back to the Future. But what if I told you that the idea of traveling through time isn't as far-fetched as it sounds? Today I'll explore the physics, theories, and paradoxes behind time travel. Let's start with the basics. Time is actually part of the fabric of the universe. In Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time are intertwined, creating what we call the space-time continuum. Think of it like a giant fabric. Everything in the universe, including you and me, is embedded within it. One key concept that could make time travel possible is time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, time isn't absolute. The faster you move, the slower time passes relative to someone who's standing still. Imagine this. If you were to travel at nearly the speed of light, a few days for you could be years for someone on Earth. This is why astronauts on long space missions might age slower than people back home. They're essentially experiencing time in a different way. But does this mean we could travel forward in time? Well, sort of. Now let's talk about black holes. These massive cosmic objects warp space-time so intensely that time near them actually slows down. In fact, the closer you get to the event horizon, the point beyond which nothing can escape, the more time stretches. This is known as gravitational time dilation, and it could allow for what seems like a time travel experience. But here's where things get tricky. Even though time seems to slow down near a black hole, there's no guarantee you'd come out of it in another time period. In fact, getting too close to a black hole would likely mean getting crushed by its immense gravity. But what if there's another way to travel through time? That's where wormholes come in. These theoretical passages could connect distant points in space and time. If a wormhole exists, you could potentially travel between two different times, past or future, by entering one of these cosmic shortcuts. But wait, there's more. Time travel also raises some fascinating paradoxes. Take the grandfather paradox, for example. If you went back in time and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you might never be born. So, would you cease to exist, or is there some sort of cosmic safety mechanism that prevents this? While time travel to the past remains purely theoretical, and probably impossible due to these paradoxes, traveling forward in time isn't entirely out of the question. Thanks to the principles of relativity and time dilation, we may one day unlock ways to travel through time in a controlled manner. Imagine a future where time travel isn't just a fantasy but a reality. Whether it's exploring distant futures or just jumping ahead in our own timeline, the potential for humanity is truly mind-blowing. So what do you think? Could time travel be more than just science fiction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing content from beyond the stars.